Power tools make every job easier, whether you are a DIY or a professional. There are plenty of options out there, but choosing the right ones can be tricky. That's why I have listed the best 20 power tools you can buy on Amazon in 2025. These tools offer great performance, durability, and value for money. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Recon Caliber Measuring Tool. A fully integrated, patent-pending measuring tool, the M1 Caliber clamps to almost any saw fence, displaying measurements on a large backlit LCD screen. It digitizes miter saws, improving efficiency by eliminating the need for tape measures and pencils, cutting stock materials up to 3 times faster. Compatible with most miter, chop, and band saws, it displays both English and metric units. Centralizing measurement tasks enhances safety and precision for woodworking, construction, and finishing projects. Optaor Angle Grinder Belt. With a quick replacement, an angle grinder transforms into a powerful belt sander. Designed for tube and pipe sanding, the triangular adapter enables effortless rust removal. A precise guide pulley ensures belt tightness for accurate sanding. Compatible with grinders featuring a shield mount under 1.68 inch, it supports the 5th of August, 11 US thread bearings. Multi-size sanding belts fit 20mm and 40mm widths, and the package includes various grit options for different surface refinements. SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher. A lightweight and portable detailing tool, the mini cordless polisher delivers stable speed, low noise, and superior efficiency. It comes with 25, 50, and 80mm backing plates, perfect for polishing emblems, body lines, and tight areas. A 2000 mAh battery allows extended operation, recharges quickly, and includes a backup battery. Featuring free-spinning dual-action rotation at speeds between 2000 to 4500 RPM, it prevents holograms while generating necessary heat. A rotary attachment enables deeper cuts and carpet cleaning. Skillsaw Carpentry Chainsaw. A high-powered cutting tool, the worm drive gearing with an electric brake provides relentless power and durability. With a deep 14 to a quarter inch cutting depth, it slices through large materials in a single pass. A self-lubricating, full-house chain with tool-less tensioning ensures high-quality, effortless cuts. Its 15-ampere dual-field motor stays cool, increasing lifespan and efficiency. Constructed from magnesium, it remains lightweight yet durable, making it ideal for carpentry and heavy-duty job sites. iTri Laser Level Line Tool. A multifunctional laser level simplifies tasks requiring precise alignment, such as hanging shelves, cabinets, tiles, and picture frames. A front slider button enables easy control of vertical, horizontal, and cross-laser line modes for various applications. The built-in 3-pronged approach includes a 0 degree, 90 degree, and 45 degree bubble level for enhanced accuracy. An integrated 8-foot measuring tape features both imperial and metric units down to 1/32 inch and 1 mm, ensuring precision in every measurement. California Air Tools Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. An ultra-quiet air compressor operating at only 60 decibels, this model is ideal for noise-sensitive environments. The oil-free dual-piston pump system extends lifespan to over 3,000 hours with minimal maintenance. Delivering 3.10 CFM at 40 psi and 2.20 CFM at 90 psi, it provides reliable airflow for various applications. Lightweight at 48 pounds, the 8-gallon compressor features a portable design with a wheel kit, allowing effortless mobility in different workspaces. AODOO Solar Work Light. A powerful work light with 2000 lumen LEDs, it features stepless dimming for customizable brightness. For modes, white, warm, natural white, and red SOS, adapt to any situation. A high-capacity 13,200 mAh battery offers over 15 hours of operation and doubles as a power bank. Its IP64 waterproof rating ensures durability in harsh environments. With 180-degree vertical and 270-degree horizontal adjustability, along with a foldable bracket, it provides versatile and targeted illumination for outdoor and worksite use. General Tools Digital Moisture Meter. A humidity sensor quickly detects moisture levels, helping prevent black mold and damage. With 3 moisture tone indicators, low, medium, and high, it identifies wet areas needing remediation. A backlit LCD screen displays readings clearly, while stainless steel pins provide accurate measurements from 5 to 50% for wood and 1.5 to 33% for drywall and concrete. A reading hold function, protective cap, extra pins, and a 9-volt battery ensure convenience and longevity in monitoring moisture-prone areas. Seika contour gauge. A precise duplication tool for measuring irregular shapes, this contour gauge is ideal for tile fitting, woodworking, and car bodywork. Designed to capture and lock contours, it allows accurate marking and cutting. Adjustable tightness ensures continued precision over time. Made from durable ABS plastic, it is lightweight yet strong. With both 5-inch and 10-inch measurement capacities, it provides an instant template for tracing complex shapes onto materials for seamless fitting and finishing. MARSHALLTOWN Hopper Gun. A versatile texture spray gun featuring a soft grip trigger, it offers adjustable dial settings for various spray patterns. 7 orifice sizes with a tubular design reduce overspray while increasing texture variety. Knurl knobs allow quick orifice plate adjustments without tools, while a tight sealing shutoff prevents leakage. An integrated air control valve enables on-the-gun airflow adjustments. The angled hopper adapter keeps the gun level when spraying floors and ceilings, improving consistency and ease of use. Preciso laser tape measure. Featuring a rubberized ABS case and a magnetic hook, this laser tape measure combines durability with precision. The digital display shows laser-measured distances, not the manual 16-feet tape. It offers 6 measurement modes with an accuracy of 1/8 inch, including distance, area, volume, and Pythagorean functions. The rechargeable battery supports 5,000 measurements per charge via USB Type-C. A backlit screen enhances readability, while the belt clip allows easy portability for any measuring task. Gloxo cordless electric scissors. Powered by a high-speed motor reaching 10,000 RPM, this cordless electric scissor effortlessly cuts materials like cardboard, leather, plastic, and carpet. The ergonomic handle and single-button operation ensure smooth cutting while reducing hand strain. A long-lasting rechargeable battery provides 3 to 4 hours of continuous use. Compact and lightweight, it eliminates cumbersome wires and is ideal for crafting and manual work. Designed for both left-handed and right-hand users, it delivers precise and comfortable cutting. Duratec tube bender. Constructed from lightweight yet strong aluminum, this tube bender is designed for 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inch OD tubing, working with copper, brass, aluminum, and thin steel pipes. Calibrated markings allow precise left-hand, right-hand, and offset bends up to 90 degrees. A durable powder-coated finish prevents corrosion, while high-precision angle markings ensure accuracy. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip for extended use, making it an essential tool for quick, efficient, and accurate pipe bending. Makita cordless cutout tool. Delivering 30,000 RPM for fast cutting, this cordless cutout tool is powered by a high-performance motor. Vent slots direct debris away, keeping the workspace clean. A slide switch with a lock-on feature offers convenience, while the slim 2.25-inch diameter body ensures a comfortable grip and control. Weighing just 3.7 pounds, it reduces operator fatigue, making it an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts needing precision in drywall and material cutting. Iwis wire crimping tool. A high-leverage crimping tool designed for 15A30, 45 AMP quick disconnect power connectors, providing secure and consistent crimps. 3 precisely sized crimping jaws accommodate 10 to 20 AWG wire, ensuring compatibility with various power connectors. A built-in contact positioner holds the terminal securely for accuracy, while a ratchet mechanism guarantees a proper crimp every time. The tool supports high-current applications in automotive, radio communication, and portable power systems, ensuring durable and low-resistance electrical connections. Jonard Tools Cable Stripper. A patented spiral stripping mechanism enables effortless removal of tough PVC, rubber, and PE insulation. This triple-action tool makes longitudinal, spiral, and circular cuts, ensuring clean and precise jacket removal. An adjustable blade depth allows for working with cables from 3/16 inches to 1 1/8 inches in diameter, accommodating multiple sizes. Built for professional electricians, telecom installers, and network technicians, it delivers efficiency and accuracy for cable stripping tasks. STEINBRCKE pipe bender. Constructed from 40 CR and 45 number steel, this heavy-duty tool efficiently bends 1/4 inches to 7/8 inches tubing at angles up to 90 degrees, supporting both forward and reverse bending. Designed for annealed metal materials and PVC pipes, it includes a pipe cutter for stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and PVC. With a 3-year factory warranty, this tool is ideal for automotive maintenance, refrigeration repair, vac installation, and hydraulic system work, offering long-lasting performance and reliability. Craftsman Hammer Drill. A powerful 3,100 RPM and 52,700 BPM motor ensures efficient drilling in concrete, masonry, and tough materials. A keyed chuck enhances bit retention, preventing slippage during intense tasks. A lock-on trigger allows for continuous operation, reducing hand fatigue. Built for construction, renovation, and heavy-duty drilling, this tool provides professional-grade performance and durability, making it an essential addition to any toolkit for both home improvement and industrial applications. Chemo Ratchet Wrench Set. A 40 feet-pounds max torque motor at 400 RPM ensures efficient tightening and loosening of nuts and bolts without the hassle of air hoses. The ultra-slim, lightweight 2.2-pound design reaches tight spaces easily, making it perfect for automotive, construction, and home repairs. Equipped with 2 long-lasting Chemo batteries, each supporting 1,000 plus charge cycles, it offers extended runtime. A built-in LED light enhances visibility, while a durable rubberized grip improves user comfort and control. Lawson Tire Inflator. A 36-liter per minute high-power motor inflates a small car tire in 55 seconds, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls. A clear digital display shows preset and real-time pressure with plus or minus 1 psi accuracy. For preset modes ensure effortless inflation, while an auto shut-off prevents overinflation. Dual power options include wireless use or car cord operation. Featuring 3 LED lighting modes, it provides emergency illumination for roadside repairs. That wraps up our list of the 20 best power tools on Amazon you can buy in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend DIY, having the right tools can make all the difference in getting the job done efficiently and with precision. If you're ready to upgrade your toolbox, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. Found this video helpful? Give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow builders, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews. Stay sharp, stay powered up, and we'll see you in the next one.